Hi, my name's Rebecca, and this is my black and white photo shoot. The first one I decided to use one of my figures because there's these bright oranges and bright reds, and then I had these dark greens and black in it, and I thought that it would give it a lot of contrast. For the second one, I decided to use the little dinosaur decoration I have in my turtle tank because it's really dark compared to some of this the green shrubbery and the fake plants. Um I thought it made the dinosaur figurine decoration stand out compared to all how bright all this green is. For my third one, I also used some figurine. Ooh, wrong one. I used figurines. I decided to use these two figurines because there's a lot of contrast just in a color format with how bright this side is versus how dark this one is. And I also chose it because there's a lot of different shades of blue in it, and I really wanted to bring out different shades of gray with the blue because of the blues. Um I also thought it was a good pick because one side's so much brighter than the other side, and I thought it would give it a lot of contrast. I also made the background a little bit darker so you could see these darker grays so they didn't blend so much with the background. For my final photo, I decided to take a picture of a rose, and I really wanted it to concentrate on this front rose. And the rose is actually the one that came out the best, in my opinion, and it's also my favorite. I made the background darker, and I brightened this area up a little bit more, so there'd be some contrast with just this single rose, not just with the rose in the front and the background. So that is my presentation. Thank you for watching.